Grounding in electrical installations, a comprehensive overview. Grounding is a critical aspect of electrical safety, ensuring that electrical faults are safely diverted to the earth. There are two primary types of grounding. 1. System grounding, earthing purpose, to provide a low-resistance path for fault currents to flow to the earth, preventing dangerous voltage rises and minimizing the risk of electrical shock. Method, typically achieved by connecting the neutral conductor of the electrical system to a grounding electrode system, GES, such as a ground rod or a buried conductor. Benefits. Ensures electrical safety by providing a reliable path for fault currents. Helps maintain a stable system voltage. Facilitates the operation of protective devices like ground fault circuit interrupters, GFCIs. 2. Equipment grounding. Purpose, to provide a conductive path for fault currents to flow from the metallic enclosures of electrical equipment to the grounding system, preventing the equipment from becoming energized and posing a shock hazard. Method, typically achieved by connecting the metallic enclosures of equipment to the grounding system using grounding conductors. Benefits. Protects individuals from electrical shock by preventing equipment from becoming energized. Helps ensure the safe operation of electrical equipment. Facilitates the effective operation of grounding-based protective devices. Note, while system grounding and equipment grounding are distinct concepts, they are interconnected. A properly grounded system ensures that equipment grounding is effective in protecting against electrical hazards. Key considerations. Grounding electrode system. The GES should be properly installed and maintained to ensure low resistance and effective grounding. Grounding conductors. Grounding conductors should be of adequate size and properly installed to provide a reliable path for fault currents. By understanding the principles of system grounding and equipment grounding, electrical professionals can design and implement safe and reliable electrical installations.